Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to make something really special and easy Teacher's Day drawing. This will be the perfect gift to say thank you, teacher. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a cute table clock. Start with a circle, add 2 little bells on top, and some tiny legs at the bottom. Now, under the clock, let's draw 3 stacked books. Make them rectangle-shaped, one on top of another. Next to the books, let's draw a pen holder. Inside it, add some pens, pencils, and maybe a ruler.
La da 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 dee.
Behind everything, let's draw a big writing board. This is where we'll write our message later. On one side, let's draw a globe. A circle, a stand, and some wiggly lines for the continents. Awesome!
La da 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 dee.
Now, add a graduation cap on top of the board and write a sweet message. Happy Teacher's Day! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show the color pens one by one and say their names. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Wow!
Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Silver color. Wow! did a fantastic job. Now you have a beautiful Teacher's Day drawing to surprise your teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. Bye friends! See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.